Hello my friends, how are you today? Are you ready to drive Nissan GTR? Let's go! Wow, I'm very crazy for the sound. Wow, I'm loving the sound. Very nice exhaust. Now I want to show you amazing drift in the snow. Are you ready? Let's go! Wow, very nice sound. Wow, it's very nice. Now, please watch again and watch the string system in this car. It's very amazing. Wow, it's very nice string system. I love it. Wow. Thank you, Nathan, for this car. Now I want to show you amazing speed acceleration. Are you ready? Let's go with me. Wow, I'm very crazy for this car. It's very nice. Just the exhaust sound. Wow, it's very nice. And the engine volume in this car is 3800 cc and very nice. And 6 cylinders and 600 HP is very nice. Wow, I love it. This car is very amazing. Do you like to watch again? Yes, please. Wow, look at the acceleration. The sounds. Are you ready to drive in the snow? Let's go! Wow, look at the acceleration! And it's no sound. Very big. It's very nice, my favorite boy. I think this car is front wheel drive. I think wow, it's very nice. Look at the body type. The body type is very nice. And I think I don't know, number of cylinders in this car is 6. Wow, it's very amazing. Now I want to show you amazing exhaust sound. Are you ready? Let's go! Wow, it's very nice exhaust sound. Look at the exhaust. Wow, it's very nice. Thank you, Nathan, for this car. Now I want to show you two beautiful faces for Nissan GTR. Look at this. Look, the body type is very nice and amazing. Very strong. Wow. Look at the red. I love the white. I think it's very beautiful. Look at the body type. The body type is very nice and I think it's very strong and very big. I love it. Thank you, Nathan, for this car. Thank you, my friend, for watching this video. See you tomorrow. Before go out, please like, share, and subscribe this video for friends. I hope enjoy to drive with Nissan GTR. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.